Hello, this is Opinion Radar, and I'm delighted to share my thoughts with you today. If you've ever found yourself fumbling for your pruning shears while covered in dirt, you'll understand why I was so eager to try the Gaucha leather garden tool belt. Priced at $84, this handsome accessory promises to bring order to the chaos of outdoor chores. As someone who's been tending my garden for over 5 decades, I'm always skeptical of products that claim to make life easier. But this belt caught my eye with its classic leather design and promises of practicality. In this review, I'll be taking you through my real-world experience with it, from the moment it arrived at my door to how it holds up after weeks of digging, planting, and harvesting. We'll explore whether it lives up to its reputation, and if it's truly the companion your gardening routine has been missing. Well, now, let me tell you about the Gaucha leather garden tool belt, because honestly, it's been a bit of a revelation for me in my golden years. I thought I was managing fine with my old apron pockets, but this belt? It's like putting on a hug from an old friend who knows exactly what you need. The moment I buckled it on, I felt a sense of rightness. It's made of gorgeous, sturdy leather that feels substantial without being heavy, and it contours to my shape in a way that makes me feel put together, even when I'm covered in potting soil. It reminds me of those classic leather handbags, timeless and built to last. I've been using it for weeks now, hauling it from my rose beds to the vegetable patch, and I can't imagine going back. It's not just a tool holder, it's become part of my gardening identity, making the whole process smoother and a lot more enjoyable, turning what used to be a juggling act into a graceful routine. When it comes to functionality, this belt truly shines with its thoughtful pocket design that has solved so many little frustrations. There's a main pouch perfect for larger tools like my hand trowel, and it doesn't sag awkwardly. But the smaller pockets are what have me tickled pink. There's one for pruning shears, another for my gloves, and even a spot for seed packets. What really got me are those tiny pen slots on the inside. I've repurposed them for my soil pH tester and a little field sharpener. My phone fits snugly in a side pocket, which has been a lifesaver for snapping photos without racing back to the house. I've even started carrying treats for the neighborhood cats, and there's room for a handkerchief and sunscreen. It's this level of practicality that makes me feel like the designers really got it right for folks who want everything within arm's reach. No more dropping things in the dirt or running back inside. The quality of the leather is something I can't stop raving about because it feels like the real deal from a bygone era. When I first unboxed it, I was struck by how soft and supple it was, yet it has this inherent toughness that tells me it's going to weather beautifully. I've had leather bags that stiffened up, but this one is already starting to mold to my hips, making it feel custom made. I've put it through the ringer, rainy days planting, dusty afternoons turning compost, and it's held up without a hitch. The stitching looks bomb-proof, and the buckle is sturdy, though I did notice it's a bit fiddly to adjust. I'm thinking of adding a quick-release clasp like one person mentioned. But that's a minor tweak. I'm convinced it'll be passing down to my granddaughters someday, looking even better with that worn-in patina that only real leather gets. Now, let's talk about comfort and fit, because nothing sours a gardening session faster than something that chafes. This belt has been nothing but gentle on me. I'm curvy in the hips and always wary of anything too tight, but the adjustable strap lets me cinch it just right without pinching. It stays put through all my bending and kneeling, and I've worn it for hours without even noticing it's there, except when I reach for a tool. There's something empowering about having your hands free. I can deadhead my dahlias with both hands while my phone and clippers are safely secured. I even wore it on a walk with my granddog, using it for poo bags and treats, and it felt so natural. No sore hips, no digging in, just pure comfort that makes me feel capable and ready for anything, much like those ranch women from the old westerns. Versatility has been the biggest surprise. It's not confined to the garden, which has made it a staple in my daily life. My husband borrowed it for a gutter repair and came back gushing about how handy it was for holding his hammer. I've taken it to the nursery for shopping trips, where it holds my list and cash, freeing up my hands for pots. Even for casual outings like a picnic, it's proved useful as a sort of fanny pack alternative, but with way more style. It's become a conversation starter. A neighbor complimented the classic look while I was trimming hedges. It's got this multi-use magic that makes you wonder how you ever managed without it, especially if you're someone who juggles projects around the house and yard. It's more than a tool belt, it's a versatile companion. All in all, at $84, this tool belt represents excellent value for the quality and practicality it delivers, and I feel like I've gotten more than my money's worth already. It's a thoughtful gift for any woman who loves her garden or appreciates a good, functional accessory. If I had to nitpick, the belt is on the heavier side when fully loaded, which might be tiring for some, and the initial break-in period had me adjusting the strap a couple of times. But those are small potatoes compared to how it's transformed my routines. I found myself lingering in the garden longer, tackling jobs I used to put off, simply because everything's so accessible. It's made gardening feel less like a chore and more like a joy. And after 50 years of it, that's saying something. If you're on the fence, hop off and give it a try. You'll be reaching for it every time you step outside. Well, that's the end of my review, dears. If this Gaucha belt has woven its way into your heart like it did mine, don't let the moment pass. Plan your support by giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to the channel for more gems like this. Happy gardening!